So today I'm gonna be making a dessert, and I got this inspiration in an email from Nespresso. I don't have like the right or the exact ingredients, so I'm just gonna go with what I have. This is like 4 ingredients. Okay, let's make it. It's chocolate ice cream. So the other day I went to get some chocolate ice cream to the chocolate ice cream shop, and I got 2 scoops. Obviously that was so much I couldn't finish, so I have a leftover ice cream. Glass. Actually, hi.
Oh my god.
Okay?
Yeah.
Do you want to help me? And this dessert is so easy that even a baby can do it. Well, not a baby, but a little girl can do it.
Okay.
So here is the little girl, and she's gonna make it. Gonna make the all by yourself. I can help you. Can I tell you how?
Okay. Wait.
Okay, so we both are going to make it.
Okay.
Okay. Found the barista cup that we are going to be using, and it is just a regular, a small mason jar. And in here you are supposed to put the ice cream. So put the ice cream in here. You wanna do that?
I can try.
This is actually pretty hard, so if you
I really don't know how to scoop from.
yeah, it's going to be hard. Let me help you. Maybe I
don't know
can do it. So here is my leftover ice cream.
Are you sure it's not gonna show your face? Are you gonna have leftover from your leftover ice cream?
I don't know.
Yeah, I was gonna say I don't really.
The recipe calls for 2 scoops of ice cream. I don't know if I have 2 scoops of ice cream here.
Oh yeah.
Probably not.
I think you do.
Is this a scoop? Okay, let's put a little more. Ice cream.
Call it. Okay.
This is about 2 scoops of ice cream. Chocolate ice cream. And now we need some coffee. Put the cup in there. Yep. Grab the coffee.
Yeah. Close it.
Yep.
Oh.
There you go. That's the bottom.
Which?
Okay, grab the cup.
I don't know if I'm gonna spill it. Oh.
Do you?
No.
Just drop it. Drop it like it's hot.
Heavy whipping cream.
And the recipe calls for 3 ounces, but we're going to eyeball it. So if you want to follow the recipe, you can do 3 ounces. Just gonna pretend that's 3 ounces, so put it in there. Okay. It's good. It's looking good. Now,
Are we gonna freeze this again? Are we gonna freeze this?
no. Now shake it.
Okay.
Shake it, shake it. There you go. Here. I think it's going to be like a drink.
Smells like coffee.
Okay, put it in the cup.
And also shaking it felt like iced coffee. Okay. know, there's still a lot of chocolate in there.
The chocolate chunks.
Yeah.
Wait. Grab a spoon and
Yummy. I like it.
and you can garnish with whipping cream. I'm gonna use a little bit of cocoa powder
Oh, yeah.
because cocoa powder is good. That's it. Just to garnish.
Yummy.
And so here is my dessert.
I think it is a drink.
It looks like a drink.
Okay. How does it taste? I want to try some.
Try some.
Tastes good. I like it. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Make sure your child is not a very young age.
Why?
I don't know. I'm 9. You said that coffee is not for kids.
That is right. Coffee is not for kids. This is my dessert. Yes. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.